Hello and welcome to Heidi's Homemade Quilts and More. This is Heidi, and today I have a shipment from Darn Good Yarn. I believe this is my 6th box with them. I have not opened it yet, so let's see what's in it. All right, so we have ball of yarn. Really pretty, kind of twisted. Darn Good Twist Worsted Weight Silk Yarn. Macho Pico, 50 grams, 42 yards. It says knit gauge 4.5 to 5.5, US 7 to 9, and crochet gauge 5.5 to 6.5 millimeter, US 9 to 10.5. Okay. Feels kind of rough. But the colors are really pretty. So if you're familiar with their Yarn of the Month Club, you get a ball of yarn. They usually send some kind of little accessory thing with it. This time is buttons. Looks like it's a 3-pack of buttons. Let me take one out so you can see it. So they're like just like mother of pearl buttons. It's basic buttons. So that leads me to believe that whatever the project is, it requires buttons. So there's usually a couple knit patterns and a couple crochet patterns. So a little booklet that has the information about the yarn and the patterns. And it looks like there's actually only one knit and one crochet. And it looks like it's like the same pattern actually. So I crochet, and it's called the Mountain Meadow Necklace. I don't know if you can see that. It's the same pattern for both crochet or knit. It's kind of an interesting, kind of looks like a braided necklace. It says it's a skill level is basic. So the thing I like about the Darn Good Yarn Company is that when you make purchases, a portion of that goes to people in need, basically. They do like co-ops that people in other countries, that is their work, is to make the yarn and stuff like that. So I like buying stuff from them because I like the idea that I'm making a difference to someone's life because I'm buying the product they're making. So that is my Darn Good Yarn month 6 unboxing. Short video, but there you go. Darn Good Yarn.